YouTube, what's going on? It's Kyle again from ePoolSupply, back again with another quick fix video on Pentair's creepy crawly Warrior suction side pool cleaner. Today we're actually going to show you guys how to replace the Ware bar kit that's actually located along the bottom of the cleaner where the suction inlet is. Stay tuned. Alright, and we're back. So again, today we have Pentair's creepy crawly Warrior suction side pool cleaner. We already kind of have it disassembled for you. You will need to take the wheels off in order to get access to one side in order to replace the Ware bar kit that we're going to go for right now. So Pentair actually made this part. They had plans at one point or another to potentially change this so that you can change the orifice size on the Warrior. They found out that once they made this one piece, and for the orifice that it already was, that it was the perfect size for this cleaner. So you don't ever really typically need to replace this part, but for whatever reason, if it does tend to snap on you, it does make sure that the cleaner runs flush across the bottom, and it does force the debris to go into the orifice here that's actually going to clean up the bottom of the pool. So if it does break, you will need to buy another one to make sure that this thing seals properly and you don't keep running into issues with the cleaner. So for demonstration purposes today, like I said, we already took the wheels off for you. So we are going to show you guys how to just get simple access in to take that Ware insert off. Really simple. You can actually see, make sure you check out our other videos that will actually kind of tell you the direction. So for today, I'm just going to tell you, clips in the front. Once you actually flip it over and you take the wheels off, you can see they actually row front and rear. In this case, I'm going to go at the right side of the cleaner. You can do this same removal from the left side of the cleaner, but I'm right-handed, so it's a little easier for me to go to the right side. So as you guys can see, we did another video on removing these roller bars. Do not touch that section. You don't need anything to do with those. This is actually that little clip right in the middle. So you do want to get access to it from the side. It's like pressure fit in there. So it does also kind of have a clip style. So you do need to push it in from the side to be able to kind of help work it off this center shaft on the bottom. So I got a flathead screwdriver for it. You can do it with whatever works for you, but I kind of just push down and slightly push it forward. So then that way you can kind of lift it off of the bottom. And as you guys can see here, the one side slides up and the other side just comes right off. It actually has a little milled area that will slide over the frame on the bottom here. So when you go put it back on, it's not like you can put it a different direction. It can only go back on the one direction. Another big thing is the one side has a little notch that follows along with the orifice, so you know that that's the part that does need to face towards the hole on the bottom of the cleaner. So once you get the old one off, if it hasn't already broken off, you're gonna take the new one. Simply start on one side, kind of push it in, and just line it up along the bar here on the bottom, and just push it in until you hear a little click. And then it's all good to go. So that'll actually help seal the cleaner to the bottom of the floor and make sure that it's doing its optimal thing on cleaning your pool. So make sure you guys hit that like button. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe. We got a ton more videos coming your way. Full videos on how to take this entire cleaner apart are in the links in the description. So make sure you guys check those out. We really appreciate all the love and support, and we wouldn't do it without you. So I'm Kyle with ePoolSupply. Thanks for watching.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Subscribe today if you haven't subscribed. Check out the links below, and we got a lot more content coming your way. Thank you.